Welcome to Frogfoot Holler, y'all. I'm Michael. My nephew Colin's behind the camera. All right, guys, what am I doing today? Well, I got some okra to plant, and I have jambalaya okra, and I have emerald green velvet okra. Ooh, velvet. Should be nice and smooth. Now, I come from planting Clemson spineless okra, and well, I like it. I really do. However, I wanted to try these. See, thing is I always want to try new varieties of things. And well, I've had Clemson spineless all the time. I've never tried any other variety. So I wanted to try these, give them a shot. Now, we're going to be using my Hoss Tool seed tray here, a coconut brick. You know, these things are fairly light. And Miracle-Gro seed starting mix. Now, I learned my lesson last time. See, I had originally put coconut brick in a small 3-gallon bucket, let it soak up the water. Yeah, that didn't do so well. So I have swapped to a larger container. But I like the mixture of the Miracle-Gro seed starting mix and the coconut brick so well, I decided I'm gonna do it again. So I'm gonna put this in here, and for this coconut brick to fully hydrate, you need about a gallon of water. Now guys, watch how quickly this takes effect. Yeah, I'm gonna spray about a gallon of water in here. And if I get a little bit more, it ain't no biggie. Y'all see that thing expanding? Look at that thing. It's just expanding and expanding. Let's lay it on the side. Oh, a crack is beginning to form. Oh no! So is that coconut crack? Probably ought not say that. Anyway, which way? We're going to add a little bit more water to this and watch it expand some more. I don't know what is so fascinating about this, but I love doing this. I have no clue why this is so fascinating to me. Okay, so now the fascination's over. And you can actually break it up, put it down in the water that hasn't been soaked up, and spread it out like that. And if you find a clump like this that still hasn't been broke up, just add more water. Water solves everything, except for being flooded. Water does not solve being flooded. Alrighty, so we're gonna get this all mixed up here. Dadgummit, I still got a piece of coconut that won't finish up. Here we go, coconut. There we go. All right. So I'm gonna mix that real good, like this. All right, now I'm just gonna dump this entire bag in here. Now see, this seed starter mix is already fluffy as it is, but there was just something about mixing that coconut fiber with the Miracle-Gro seed starting mix that I really liked. That Miracle-Gro seed starting mix is really dry to start with, so you're probably gonna have to add more water. There we go. Alrighty. Water, water, water. I'm gonna rinse my hand off. Well, that was stupid. I'm gonna have to. I rinsed my hand off just to get it dirty again, y'all. Never claimed to be smart. Alright. So, mix it up really, really good. See, some of y'all might say I get too excited about planting, but I don't think I get excited enough. I mean, seriously, what's wrong with getting excited? Ain't nothing wrong with it, guys. All right. Seriously, a green leaf. Where did that come from? Stupid green leaf. Doop. Alright, so pretty well mixed up right here. And we good. Now, these trays have 162 cells. And normally I will actually direct seed my okra seeds. Not this time. This time I am going to try to start them first so I can get a selective view of my chickens are trying to eat my gourd plants, y'all. Sorry. But I can select which okra plants I really want. So we're going to put one of the types of okra right here, let's say the jambalaya, and one type over here. So while I add the soil to this, we'll be right back. And we are back, ladies and gentlemen. Back for the okra showdown. Will it be the jambalaya okra that is right here? Or will it be the emerald green velvet okra? Will it be right here? Ladies and gentlemen, may I now introduce to you the Hall's Tool Tray. Guys, yep, never claimed to be all there either. All right, so we have everything ready for my okra seeds to go in. Now, for those that have never seen okra seeds, look at these things, itty bitty things. Now, normally I would direct sow these, and about 24 hours before I direct sowed them, I would actually soak them in water and let them expand. What that does is it helps the germination process. But since I'm starting them, and I'm starting them a little early, I got time for them to germinate. So we're going to go ahead and take these things and we're going to be placing them in, oh, they bounced out, the little divots right there. You go in the divot. I had one bounce out, y'all. Alright, now I'm not going to subject y'all to watching me do this in normal speed. So let's hit super frog mode. Come here. Now. Okie dokie, artichoke. All right, so I got my seeds planted. I got them covered up. Now okra seeds like about 1/2 inch of soil, so plant them to about 1/2 inch. Now I have my markers because I used all the seeds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and fold it again. That way I have jambalaya okra on the outside, and if this gets wiped off, hopefully this side will be showing. But sometimes it don't work the way you want it to, and well, you have wonder okra. I wonder which one that one is, and I wonder which one that one is. So I'm going to put these on the cells just like that, so that way it's marked. Now when I go to water these, I'm going to pull these out just like this. After I water them, I'll put them back in. So guys, that's my tip. Pull those out, water, and then put them back. All right, so we're going to go put these up, and then we'll be right back. I got kind of an experiment to try. So y'all join me for that one. 3, 2, 1. I love frog magic. All right, so I have a Harbor Freight sprayer. This is a 1.5 gallon sprayer, and I filled it up to just a little over a gallon, right at a gallon. And I'm gonna use some peppermint oil. Now this is peppermint essential oil, pure peppermint oil. Don't use the stuff with alcohol in it. And well, what am I going to use it for? Well, I'm going to try to mask my plant smells this year. And well, bugs are drawn to the smells of your plants. And most bad bugs do not like peppermint oil, including deer. I might have an idea for my field garden out there that is not protected by a fence. Spray this around those plants too. Might help keep the deer away. But right now, I'm going to be trying this on my squash that is growing really good. Why? Because of vine borers and pickle worms. See, vine borers get into the stem of the squash, and well, they eat the squash from the inside, or the squash stem from the inside, and could kill your squash. Now, you can do various different methods to protect them, but I'm going to try this method this year because last year the freaking vine borer decimated my squash plants last year. So I'm trying to get ahead of them this year. Now I'm going to take this essential oil and add, I'm going to try 8 drops to start with. So let's see if I can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I lied. I did 10. And I'm going to put this back on. Now remember, peppermint and water don't mix very well. So you got to shake it up really good. Do the shake, do the shake. Yeah, do the shake. All right, and every now and then you'll probably have to shake it up again while you're spraying it. But you can also use some Dawn dishwashing soap, and it will help the oil as you're spraying it out stick to the plants. But I'm not really trying that one yet this year. Well, not yet. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna spray some of this out and see if it smells like peppermint. Assuming I can get it to work. Remember, I did buy it from Harbor Freight. Spray out some of the old liquid. Whew, that smells like peppermint, y'all. All right, so we're gonna go over here and go take a look at my squash and see what I'm gonna do with it. We're here at my squash plants, and we're gonna start with these right here. These are my straight neck variety. And I'm just gonna give them a quick little spray. Try to get underneath them a little bit. Now I'm doing this in the afternoon time because most of your bad stuff comes out at nighttime. And when I water this during the day, this stuff's probably gonna dilute quite a bit, and I may have to do it again. So I'm just going to do it in the afternoon times and see how it works. Now, if you put the peppermint on too strongly, or peppermint oil in the water too strongly, from what I understand, you can do damage to your plants. Well, if I come out tomorrow and all my plants are dead, guess what? That means I probably did it too strongly. Hopefully that ain't what's going to happen. But I have 60 more squash plants, so I think I'll be all right. Whew, I can smell that peppermint. Boy, I'm really kind of worried about I've done it too strongly now. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and finish spraying all these. I appreciate y'all joining in with me today and seeing me plant some okra and, well, seeing if I can kill my squash plants overnight. And, well, guys, this is the end of the show, at least for this one. So, guys, if you hit that like button, I sure would appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I ain't going to fuss none. And if you would, know somebody might like this, hit that share button also. I appreciate it. All right, guys, this has been Mike with Frogfoot Holler. Y'all have a froggy day.